In this video, we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair GBPJPY in multiple timeframes for the upcoming week from 21st towards 25th November 2022. Now, GBPJPY on a weekly time frame throughout this whole week, after finding strong support at this key level from the previous week, it continued to push up in this week, coming all the way up to make a retest on this key zone that has multiple major retest points, which we drew in our previous weekly analysis, in a sense that GBPJPY should continue to respect this key zone as its absolute resistance if GBPJPY is to continue to push down in respect to this huge bearish momentum move over here, and this could be a pullback move over here. So if GBPJPY is to continue pushing down, it should respect this key zone as its resistance and make a breakout of this previous low with further bearish momentum to create new lower low, and also make a retest on this higher time frame uptrend channel over here with a deeper pullback. However, if we see GBPJPY making a break and close above this key zone with further bullish momentum, then GBPJPY might found its strong support at this key level and might continue to push up to retest the previous high over here, or create new higher high to come all the way up, retest this key level that again has multiple major retest points from here, continuing this uptrend channel move over here with further bullish momentum. So on a higher time frame point of view, we have our resistance at this key zone currently, and also our support at this key level over here. Now let's go to even shorter time frame, like a daily time frame. Then we can see the same resistance at this key zone and also the same support at this key level over here that we just talked about on a weekly time frame. Now on a higher time frame point of view, we need GBPJPY to make a break and close above this resistance zone with further bullish momentum for GBPJPY to continue pushing up to create a new higher high. Similarly, we need GBPJPY to make a break and close below this previous low, or like this major support, with further bearish momentum for GBPJPY to continue pushing down on a higher time frame point of view. But before that happens, we can also look for trades in between this key level to this key zone as well by going to even shorter time frame, like 4-hour time frame. Now if you go to this 4-hour time frame, then we can see GBPJPY, while making this pullback that you just saw on the daily time frame, it was also moving in respect to this uptrend line as well, and also while facing this higher time frame resistance and support at this two key level, GBPJPY also has this two key level with multiple major retest points as well. And you can see already here at this key level, GBPJPY is currently facing support at, which also aligns with this uptrend line as well. So a breakout of this key level would also be a breakout of this uptrend line. Similarly, GBPJPY needs to respect this key level as its support if it is to continue to push up in respect to this uptrend line over here. So a continuation of this uptrend line or a breakout of this uptrend line is going to determine whether GBPJPY is going to make a break and close above this key zone with further bullish momentum to continue pushing up on a higher time frame point of view, or whether GBPJPY is going to find a strong resistance over here to make a breakout of this uptrend line to continue pushing down. So on the upcoming week, if GBPJPY continues to respect this key level as its support and makes a break and close above this key zone with further bullish momentum, at least on a 30 minutes time frame, then we can wait for some sort of structure to be formed over here, and then look for trades on the breakout of that structure with further bullish momentum to avoid some fake outs over here, in hopes of GBPJPY coming all the way up to make a retest on this next key level over here that you see on a daily time frame has multiple retest points over here. And if GBPJPY even makes a break and close above that key level with further bullish momentum, then we can expect GBPJPY to come all the way, retest the previous high, or create new higher high by making a breakout of this high to come all the way, retest this key level which has multiple retest points like this. So that's where we expect GBPJPY to continue pushing up to, if it continues to make a break and close above this key zone and those certain key level with further bullish momentum, while continuing to push up in respect to this higher time frame uptrend channel. However, if we see GBPJPY, instead of making a break and close above this key zone and continuing to push up, if it continues to respect this key zone as its resistance and makes a break and close below this support level with further bearish momentum, then it would be a breakout of this uptrend line, and we can start to look for trades in hopes of GBPJPY coming to retest this next key level over here, which has multiple major retest points. And again, if GBPJPY with further bearish momentum makes a break and close even below this key level, then we can start to look for further short trades on GBPJPY in hopes of GBPJPY coming all the way down to make a retest on this previous low at this major support level once again that you saw on the daily time frame as well. So let's see how GBPJPY reacts towards this key zone and also towards this key level over here, whether GBPJPY respects this key zone as its resistance, or whether GBPJPY makes a break and close above this key zone while respecting this key level as its support, and then look for trades whether on the long side or on the short side. So that's my analysis on GBPJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. And if this video helped you guys, then as always, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up. And to know more about my mentorship details, you can contact me on Telegram or Instagram from the links in the video descriptions down below.